Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about beauty and planner videos and plus size fashion and vlogs and anything. So yeah, you've clicked on this video because you wanted to watch this plan with me. It's going to be more of a memory keeping because I didn't plan last week. And I'm going to be using washi tape and flower stickers, but I want to do the spread like sideways, diagonia. I can't say it in English. Anyway, so we are going to do that. I'm Greek, that's why I was speaking to you in Greek. So I'm going to put one side of washi tape here and another bit of washi tape and flowers, and I'm going to use some skinny washi tape as well. So yeah, stay with me. Go get some coffee. It's not going to be a very chatty video, but it will last for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to put on my washi tape and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. This washi tape, I don't know where I got it from, but I got this one from Amazon, and I will link whatever I can in the description box. I'm going to use this one as well, and that washi tape, so, and probably some polka dots, more polka dots. I love polka dots. So yeah, okay. So what I do is I put the washi tape diagonally hang on, diagonally, and then I'm going to cut the sides here with what are they called, a paper knife or whatever these are called, crafting knife. And then I'm going to put flowers in between here, and I'm just going to write a few things. You'll see. Okay, so I've put the washi tape and I put it twice on because you could see the lines through. So you have two, oops, well, that's upside down. There we go. So we've got the two strips of washi tape, and now I'm going to start putting in flowers. Now the flowers I got off Susie's Stick It, I think, one of those air shops, or the Magpie Organized Head Shop, one of those. They are flowers. So yeah, let's see how they're going to go in. Okay, so I've placed the stickers in the washi tape, but I'm going to go in with some highlighter in between because I don't want to have the white space. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I have this highlighter here, and I'm going to put it on some paper, some tissue paper, scrunch it up, and then I'm going to rub it on the paper. You'll see in a minute what it's going to look like. So as I said, I just dabbed it on some tissue paper, and this is what it looks like. It's gone a bit sparkly. So I'm going to do the same on this side. So there you have the highlighter on the paper. Now I'm going to start sticking the flowers. Okay, so the highlighter's on, and I've put the stickers on the page. And now I'm going to put something here. I need to think. Probably going to go with a little bit more washi tape. Okay, so I added this polka dot washi tape as well, and I stuck one flower there. I'm going to write some things, and then I'm going to make my own polka dots. I'll show you. So this is the before pen, and then I'm going to show you after pen. Okay, so I finished writing what I did, not much because we have lockdown, and I'm putting in little polka dots to fill things up. So I'm going to show you in a minute. I didn't put anything on there, and I'm not going to put anything on there on the side. Don't have any ideas, so nothing. Okay, so I finished my spread. I put little dots so it looks fuller. This washi tape I really like. It's from the Works, but it doesn't stick very well. Anyway, and I used this pen, which is from this brand, and I really like it. But look at my hands. Now I've got to go wash this. So that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.
That would be good for you to me, though. Do you want to?
Yeah. Gotcha.